You know, not every seed grows just because you drop it in the dirt. Some seeds need time. Some need chill, the quiet, the cold. This is cold stratification. That season where the seed is tucked away, hidden in the dark, feeling forgotten, but really just being prepared. And lately, I think Yah has me there. And maybe he has you there too. In my own kind of cold stratification, my own love's winter. The kind where nothing seems to move, where prayers hang heavy in the air. There's stagnation, where you look around and think, has growth forgotten me? Has Yah forgotten me? But no, this is the sacred waiting place. This is where the hard shell breaks, where the parts of me, and again, maybe you, that can't survive the next season begin to soften, begin to die, so something truer can be born. See, the seed doesn't fight the cold, it just rests. It lets the winter do what winter does. Because deep inside, it knows spring is written into its design. And maybe that's the lesson. That Yah's love sometimes comes wrapped in frost and silence. That he hides us, not to punish, not to do anything bad, but to protect, to prepare. Because what he's growing in you and me can't survive if it blooms too soon. No, the roots, they need depth. The heart, it needs patience. And the soil of your soul, it needs stillness. So if you are with me in this quiet place, you notice that winter where nothing is moving, at least to your naked eye, don't rush it. Don't curse it. Let it work. Trust nature, trust Yah, and know that spring, a bloom time, is written into your design. Because when Yah says it's time, when the sun of his timing shines on you, you won't have to force the growth. It'll just happen naturally, powerfully, because he already did the hidden work in the cold, in your winter. That's cold stratification. That's love's winter. The season, probably this season, where Yah hides you to grow you. So don't mess up your bloom season, my friend. Be still.